Surya Namaskar B, Sun Salutation B, has the same structure and flow as Sun Salutation A. We just start off with Utkatasana fierce pose and add in a warrior one on the right and left sides between the flowing Vinyasa transitions. So starting from mountain pose, we'll start with feet hip distance apart, getting established. Deep breath in. Exhale, squat, keeping outer edges of the knees aligned with outer edges of the feet. Inhale, sweep it overhead. Exhale, dive forward. Inhale, shifting weight into the balls of the feet as you curl in the upper back. Exhale, step back into a plank. Set yourself up. Heart descends. Elbows bend, leaning forward. Transition for a high cobra or up dog. Exhale, flow back. If you need space to step your foot all the way up to the front of the mat, you can lift your right hand first and then step your right foot up. So when we step the foot up, we want the midpoint of the ankle aligned with the creases of the wrist. So the tendency is the foot steps up and then the ankle is now behind to the wrist, and you don't have a full expansive warrior when you come up. You have a shortened stance. So we want to get the foot all the way up between the hands so the midpoint of the ankle is aligned with the midpoint of the wrists. So if that is difficult to do, then lift your hand first and then step your foot up. If that is still difficult to do, lift your hand up, step your foot as far as you can, and then grab the foot and place it at the front of the mat so it is aligned with the creases of the wrists. The back foot goes flat, so the heels are aligned. The knees stay centered over the ankle. The lower abdomen is tight, resisting the arch in the lower back, and you sweep the arms overhead for one breath, and then exhale, depart, and transition. Second side, again, if you need space, step that left foot up. Back foot flat. Inhale, sweep it overhead. Exhale, depart. Exhale, flow back. And then after both warriors, you hold down dog for 5 breaths. The end of the exhale, step or jump. Inhale, shift your weight forward, lengthen and curl, keeping the weight into the fronts of the feet. Exhale, forward fold. Squat, inhale overhead. Exhale, Samastitihi. Surya Namaskar B, just breath, no instruction. Surya Namaskar B.